morning and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at the Volkswagen Beetle, part number 58383. Okay, here we have the box. Nice looking box. A nice red Beetle. This is, I think, a 66 or 67 model. This comes on the MO4L chassis. The long version, or not the long, but the 239 millimeters. It's a monocoque chassis. Here you see the pictures. Not my favorite chassis, but it's better than TT01 or TT02. Okay, here are the main manual. Okay, nice pictures. Okay, here are all the parts number. Okay, here we have the stickers, not much. It's only window trim and the vents and the door handles, the turn signals. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, here we have the manual again. Okay, you can see all the parts, how the stickers goes on, how to paint, how to assemble the gearbox and shocks, and yeah, like normal. It's okay. Okay, look at the more parts. Here are the monocoque chassis. Yeah, only black clear plastic. Not clear, but black plastic. Okay, here we have some more on another bag. Some shock parts and body mounts and yeah, bumpers maybe. Body. We look at the body later. Okay, I got some extra ball bearings. Better than plastic bearings. Okay, the sponge for the tires. Okay, and the speed controller. It's 101 BK. Yeah, it's okay for normal driving with a silver can motor. Okay, more parts, body mounts. Maybe something for some chassis parts. And more here, something for the gearbox, the hexes, something for the servo, steering. Okay, more. Okay, here is the gearbox, shock towers, some wide hexes maybe. Some more uprights for the steering, some suspension parts. Okay, and we have the parts bag, the A, B, and C, and D. Yeah, with all the nuts, the bolts, the motor, 540 silver can, the grease, the pinion gear, the spur gears, the springs. Here we have the tires, the D60 tires. Yeah, they look nice. Maybe it's a too low profile for the for the real version, but it's okay for the RC version. Okay, and the rims. Nice, shiny. You only need to paint the hubcaps. Okay, here are some foam bumper. Here are some useless information for me. Okay, here we have the nice bumpers. the US versions with the big ones. And the headlights, the rear bumper. Yeah. And the mirrors, they break up easy. Okay, then look at the body. Nice one. Some people say it's a combo between the 66 and the 67 model. The headlights are 67, but the rest is 66. I don't know. I'm not too familiar with the Beetle. I had a 68, and in the real size, looks almost the same. Maybe the headlights are different. The rear lights, yeah, it looks the same, but I'm not a huge Volkswagen guy. I love Beetles. I do. Yeah, this looks great. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.